everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a CV in Google Forms. Google Forms is commonly used for job application registrations and surveys, but how can applicants upload their CV or resumes directly into a form? The file upload feature in Google Forms allows users to attach documents like PDFs or Word files easily. And here's how to enable CV uploads in Google Forms. I'll walk you through the process step by step in this video tutorial. So let's get started. The first step is to create a Google Forms and add a file upload question. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com, and once the website appears, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. When you log in, go to the Start a New Form section and click on Create a New Blank Form. Now once you created a new blank form, the second step is to add a question here. For example, I'm going to choose this question right here, and I'm going to choose the question type and select File Upload. Click on Continue. Now the second step is to customize the upload settings. Set allowed file types to PDF, doc or docs. Let's see here. Only toggle on the allow only specific file types and click on documents, PDFs, etc. You can also set maximum file size, for example 10 megapixels for CVs, as you can see here. And you can enable required to ensure everyone submits a CV. The third step is to restrict access. Google Forms requires users to sign in before uploading. Now if collecting public responses, instruct users to upload their CVs to Google Drive or paste a shareable link instead. And for the fourth step, store uploaded CVs in Google Drive. Now all uploaded files are saved in a Google Drive folder linked to the form. Open responses and select View folder to access the files. As for the fifth and final step, download and organize CVs. You can use Google Sheets to track responses, names and file links, and download CVs by clicking the Google Drive folder link. And that's it for today's tutorial. Google Forms makes it easy to collect CVs and job applications with the file upload feature. By setting up upload limits, storing files in Drive, and linking responses to Sheets, recruiters can efficiently manage applications. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.